Hey, this is Conan, CR Components, here to show you our track drive motor gearbox side rebuild kit for your John Deere track loader. I believe there's also a Gale model that uses these torque hub drive motors. You'll see torque hub right on the end cover there. So within this kit, we do send this snap ring, which holds your cover on. There's another variation, their newer variation has a much thicker snap ring that doesn't get all bent up like this one. So we send that just in case yours gets bent up. Then going in, we have the O-ring for the end cover, and then the other variation with the oil plugs in the end cover uses the X-ring. So we got both kinds there. And then we have both styles of oil plug. One's got magnet, which I recommend using if you have oil plugs in the side. If your oil plugs are in this end cap, there's very little clearance in between the gears, so I don't recommend using a magnetic one on that. But that's really up to you. So going further in, got your main hub bearings. There's 2 of these in the set. And then the reason why you probably had to take this apart, for your inner face seal set, has your 2 metal seals and your large Bellevue rubber gasket seal there for both of those. And remember, they flare away from the mating surface when they get installed. Speaking of installation, there's a really good gear installation video we have that Austin did. I believe they also have a teardown video how to get the inner gear. Is a ring gear that runs around on the inside here, and that presses out to get the bearing race to go in on the outer one. So if you're wondering how the heck does that bearing race come out, you got to press that gear ring out. So check out those videos, very helpful on disassembly and reassembly. And also, we always offer these parts separately. If you just happen to need one or the other, we're happy to help you with that. If you don't see it on the website, just call in, one of our guys will help you out. Appreciate it. CRcomponents.com.